my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. I'll give my life for that, put all my trust into my dogs, who he stepping at. Wanna make it out the trap, I really know it takes some time. Yeah, I said who down the slide, trying to keep my moves quiet. Know them ops gon' find the time, yeah. I said it's fuck the other side, yeah. My brother really stepping, we don't care what all they find. We gon' keep our lips shut, I done prove that every time. All these perkies in my pocket got me dreaming of me dying. Inhale, exhale, we feel the burn in our chest. The same type of burn we feel when we be up in the tech. I really let them hollow tips burn right through your neck. Them disrespectful little hoes is really getting they dome check. Swear that I don't even got no time to myself. It really seems like I should drop out, fuck all the help. I know this shit can change my life, yes, fuck how they feel. They don't understand the moves for now, I keep it concealed, yeah. Power to my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. Mentally exhausted, ever since I started we all bleed the same blood. And that's some shit you better not forget. Losing touch from typing these messages to my conscience. Need the key back into my heart from when I tossed it. You found it, then ripped it up, tore that shit to pieces. So I'd never trust a single word that I've been hearing. Next time I notice they closed off in appearance. But how am I gonna cope with all the ways that I've been feeling? Baby, heal this wicked pain that's inside of my chest. It's really fucking up my breathing. No, it's filling me with stress. Shawty help me with my feelings. Tired of the antidepressants and all the shit got me singing. Power to my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire.
My bag, fly out Perico. Stab my racks with a brand new C-No. She didn't wanna talk, brand new ego. Now she right back to me, sending me signal. But I'm sorry, baby, got too much to lose. Time to go and close the doors with you. All these people got me so confused, saying things I know are never true. Remember I was hurting, they ain't say a thing to me. I was working while in college for 100 bills a week. Promise you ain't saying nothing if it ain't about the green. Ain't nobody for a minute that they know me overseas. Off-white drip, two-tone, yes please. With a brand new whip, don't need no keys. Miller wallet in my pocket, probably hold a couple G's. I'm the definition, what they wanna beat us to a T. Cross on my chest like Bible verses. This game's been dead, let's find the hearses. I'ma still be me, my time is worth it. They don't wanna see me win, so the time is perfect. They don't fool me once, put the blame on me, but I won't go back again. Now I got my hundreds, told the whole team to run it, then we done with living average. Had to get my bag, fly out Perico. Stab my racks with a brand new C-No. She didn't wanna talk, brand new ego. Now she right back to me, sending me signal. But I'm sorry, baby, got too much to lose. Time to go and close the doors with you. All these people got me so confused, saying things I know are never true. Slowing it down just to make sure you get it. They fake it, then never, I call them prosthetic. My Super Bowl winners, my team is authentic. You name if you want, but I'll never forget it. All list of people I'm knowing that doubted me. Now that I'm up, they be saying they proud of me. Fendi and Prada design of my policy. Out of my Birkin and turned to a prodigy. Been gone and on my own, run my race with no relay. Fire strong, that's all I want. Let some snakes run along that way. Y'all been wrong, from my throne. Top my hill is where I reign. Told my mom, coming back home with a brand new bag, finna take a vacay. Had to get my bag, fly out Perico. Stab my racks with a brand new C-No. She didn't wanna talk, brand new ego. Now she right back to me, sending me signal. But I'm sorry, baby, got too much to lose. Time to go and close the doors with you. All these people got me so confused, saying things I know are never true.